Hello, grade 2. Good morning. We shall now proceed with your lesson in science. You have me with you, Teacher Frances, as we discuss your lesson for this week. First thing first, what will we need? You should have with you your science textbook and your pencil. Do you have them right now? Okay, good job. Our lesson for today is about matter. Say matter. Read with me our learning objectives one by one. First one, define what a matter is, know what mass is, and identify matter in the surroundings. Okay. Last time we draw conclusion. Do you still remember what is a conclusion? Okay. It is what we decide after we read something or saw something, isn't it? In the text, a hot day, there's a glass of ice water. And we were asked to make our conclusions. Okay, we concluded that the ice will melt. Great. Go along with me as we open your textbook on pages 16 and 17. Have you opened those pages? Let us now proceed with page 16. You have here the envision it part. You are given the instructions to circle the orange that sank. Is it the first orange or the second orange? Circle it now. Good. The first orange sank because it is more dense or compacted together, whereas the second orange floated because the cover or the outer skin was filled with tiny particles of air. Okay. Moving on with our page 17, you are tasked to draw one object that you think will float. Do you have now something in the mind? Okay, draw it here on the white part of the page. Take your time. All right, a sample could be a life preserver. It is the thing that you are using whenever you go swimming. Read with me. I will know that matter has many different properties. As we go along with our lesson, we will be having our 7 different properties of matter. We will also meet new words such as matter, property, and thermometer. Let us observe. What can you see on the picture? Name them. Okay. Whenever we observe, we make use of our senses. Particularly, in this photo, we will use our pair of eyes for our sense of sight. Excellent. We have cars, bicycle, men, plants, buildings, road, and cement. Read the text with me. Matter. Everything you see around you is made of matter. Matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. Objects that have a lot of matter are heavy, just like the cars in the pictures. Objects that do not have a lot of matter are light. Seeing the bicycle here. All right. Let us continue. Some things you cannot see are made of matter also. The air around you has matter. For our task, write a conclusion about the mass of a car. Take a look at this photo. Okay, we know that a car has a lot of matter. We will write our conclusion on the space provided. What conclusion can we draw about this car having a lot of matter? Take your time and start answering. As we know, a car has a lot of matter. Our conclusion might be a car has a lot of mass. Excellent. For our wrap up, remember these points. First one, everything around us is made of matter, and matter has mass. This is the reason why an object is heavy or light. Now, can you give more examples of matter? Can you share them? Great job. Thank you for listening. Until we have our next class. Bye bye.